Using Statdisk to test a claim about a population proportion. This video uses the example titled, "Fewer than 30% of adults have sleepwalked." In the top menu of Statdisk, click Analysis and then select Hypothesis Testing from the drop-down menu. Select Proportion 1 Sample from the submenu. The selected menu item is highlighted in blue. The Hypothesis Test Proportion 1 Sample input screen now appears in Statdisk. The blue outline indicates the input item that is currently selected. Click on any input item to select it, or press the Tab key to move to the next input item. Under Alternative Hypothesis, select the type of test: two-tailed, right-tailed, or left-tailed. Select the option that uses the same symbol as the alternative hypothesis. Select the first option, Not Equal Claimed Proportion, for a two-tailed test. Select the second option, Greater than Claimed Proportion, for a right-tailed test. Select the third option, Less than Claimed Proportion, for a left-tailed test. In this example, we select the third option, Population Proportion Less than Claimed Proportion, for a left-tailed test. Next, enter the desired significance level. For this example, we will use the default value of 0.05, which is commonly used. Next, enter the claimed proportion. In this example, the claimed proportion is 0.3. For sample size, we enter 19,136. For x, enter the number of successes. If you don't know the value of x, but you know the value of the sample size and the sample proportion, calculate the value of x by multiplying the sample size by the sample proportion, then round the result to the nearest whole number. In this example, x equals 19,136 times 0.292, or 5,588 rounded. Click the Evaluate button, and the results will be displayed in Statdisk. In this example, the results include the p-value for the left-tailed test of 0.008 rounded. Because the p-value is less than the significance level of 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that fewer than 30% of adults have sleepwalked. Directly above the p-value, the critical z-value is provided. The critical value in this example is -1.645 rounded. The test statistic is provided directly above the critical value. In this example, the test statistic equals -2.410. Click the Plot tab above the Results box to view a graph of the critical value and test statistic. Because the test statistic falls in the critical region bounded by the critical value of -1.645, we reach the same conclusion that we reached using the p-value method. An image of this graph can be downloaded to your computer by clicking on the camera icon in the upper right corner of the graph. Click the Results tab above the graph to return to the numerical results. Click the Download button above the results box to download these numerical results to your computer, or click the Copy button to copy these results into your clipboard.